this is going to be the second batch, which will be starting in the coming weeks. So without further ado, I would hand over the session to Dr. Anita, representing International Lean Six Sigma Institute from United Kingdom. So who is the greatest supporter for our accreditation programs. So I'll hand over the session to Dr. Anita, and at the same time, I'm warmly welcoming our one of the chief facilitators of our Lean Six Sigma program, Mr. Darshana Karnaratne, joining us from Australia, who is going to be facilitating you all regarding the Lean Six Sigma practices that has been adapted in the Australian continent, I would say. So welcome, Darshana. I know it's almost midnight probably in Australia at the moment. So thanks a lot for joining us. So Dr. Anita, so the session is all yours. So I'll hand over.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you so much for the warm welcome, Skillgate and team, and also Mr. Darshana. Would you like to go first because it's too late for you in Australia? Like for me, it is just 1:30.
No, I'm pretty okay, Anita. Yeah, go ahead, and then I'll add up whatever maybe I can add from my end. I'm okay. I can spend another half an hour. It should be all right.
Okay, that should be fine. Okay, yeah. See, this is what Lean Six Sigma also teaches us a lot of resilience and flexibility. Great, but thank you for letting me speak first. Then, right? I'm Dr. Anita Stalin, and I'm a master black belt in Lean Six Sigma, and I'm a part of ILSSI, which is from Cambridge, England, but we are valid globally. Everywhere, and you must have seen the websites already. Have they already seen the website and they know the certifications and stuff?
Not in detail, Dr. Anita. I think better if you can just give a brief about that as well. Yes.
Sure, I'll do that. Let me share the screen. Okay, yeah. So this is ILSSI, which is International Lean Six Sigma Institute from Cambridge, England. Though it is in the UK, but we are with 92 partners and approximately 40 countries, and we are getting even better every time. Okay, I'm just going to click on OK. Yeah, this is our website, and you can also see Skillgate here because they are also a partner from Sri Lanka. They are the only partner from Sri Lanka, by the way. So if you want to get through ILSSI, you can only get through us through Skillgate. That is great. Here you can see our accredited partners, and all this is from our partners. And you can see several things, of course, but these are the certifications that ILSSI offers, which is the Lean Six Sigma Green Belt, Yellow Belt, Black Belt, Master Black Belt, also supply chain management. If anybody is into logistics and supply chain, you could do it, especially now in the Middle East, where people are moving within Asia, and also people from the UK and US coming into the Middle East for working with the logistics and supply chain management. Those students are also going for certified supply chain management along with Lean Six Sigma, so you would like to. And also from the healthcare department, whether it is from the hospital procurement or admin department or nurses, even doctors and surgeons. Instead of Lean Six Sigma, they like to be called certified lean healthcare practitioner, so they go for healthcare practitioner certification. And also, if any of you are certified quality professionals, you could go for that. And then we have our DFSS, Design for Lean Six Sigma. You don't have to take a separate one if you're already a black belt or a master black belt, but it is only about words in it. And we have some TPM practitioners as well, certified project manager. Especially when people do their PMP or Prince 2, and you know how difficult those tests are to crack the nut there. But ILSSI supports you with project management. If you have already done projects in Green Belt or Yellow Belt, you can submit them, and then there is a set of questions. Of course, a set of questions don't define you as a great project manager. But if you would like this certified project manager certification, you can submit a project, and of course you can avail the certificate. And these are other certificates on Agile and Agile project management, Scrum Master, etc. So you could come through Skillgate. Don't look at the price. The price is when you directly come to ILSSI, but when you go through Skillgate, they have special privileges to give to their students, so you could do it. If any of you are from, so we all Italian, Dutch, Arabic, Portuguese, Spanish, etc. If you're interested, you could go through it. And yeah, so this is a little bit about me. And more than talking about me, this introduction is about what Lean Six Sigma can do for you, right? So I'm a master black belt in Lean Six Sigma. I also work closely with the Union of Japanese and Scientists and Engineers, which is the JUICE, right from where Toyota starts, and all the Japanese lean words that you learn or will be learning is all from here, right? One of the directors of ILSSI, as you already saw, and I'm also part of the GET team. GET is Global Excellence Team, right? So if you are Lean Six Sigma expert, you can also head the PEX team, which is Process Excellence Team, or it could be Business Excellence Team, or it could be OPEX, Operational Excellence Team. So all of that comes under GET, right? So with this certification, if you want to set up a department in your own company, you can definitely do it with your Master Black Belt or Black Belt or even Green Belt certification, right? And yeah, so these are partial clients, all about, I come with like 24 years of experience, and wherever I worked, Lean Six Sigma helped me to boost, right? So I was a quality manager or a quality leader with all these companies, but it definitely supported me a lot with projects and stuff. And I work closely with the universities as well to support the faculties, because in the colleges now they have incorporated Lean Six Sigma Green Belt and Black Belt with their masters and PhD as well, right? So if you are already in a college and university, after you obtain this certificate, you can be the lecturer in your own college, right? And these are areas of expertise that you can see, something like OPEX or PEX or BEX or business excellence, redesigning, finance, management, all of that. Okay, so more than looking at it like my introduction, you can make a note of what can you do after obtaining the certificate from Skillgate, right? Yeah, of course, I'm a global ambassador. It took a long way, but it does. Yeah, this is Washington, D.C. healthcare partners. And they all did Lean Six Sigma project, and I did that with them as well. And they got awarded in Health 2.0 conference in Dubai in 2024. So if you, any one of you are doctors or surgeons or nurses, or if you are working in healthcare, then you know Lean Six Sigma is applicable there as well. In Washington, D.C. And Washington, D.C. is across the U.S., not only in Washington, right? Yes, this is ISRO, the research center. You would have heard about research center where, just like NASA, they would do all these space researches and rocket launches and all of that. So along with them, he's one of the quality leaders here, and I work closely with them, and we have supported telemedicine, and across the globe telemedicine works, and we have helped with making the process lean and improving the quality before it became telemedicine from actual human touch, right? Yeah, and this is enhancing education system also in India, not only across the globe, because I'm doing a lot of work in universities across the globe. So I thought, why not in our countries, and also in Sri Lanka, India, and most of the Asian countries, incorporating our Lean Six Sigma there, because children from our country are going to all other countries and doing wonders. Right, so this is the GET team, the Global Excellence Team, and you would have seen David Hutchins. So you see David Hutchins, he's an author and he's quite famous in the Lean Six Sigma family, and he heads the GET team, and he also runs the World Council for Total Quality Management. And this Quality Circle conference is held across the globe in several countries every year. And he is the one who is still alive and healthy. And he started from the pioneers of Lean Six Sigma, and he is also a part of ILSSI, by the way. He's also one of the directors. So He supports us. So you could also start a committee like this for quality in any country that you go or any industry that you work with. This is also a great avenue for you, right? And yeah, this is Dr. Hiroshi Osada, and they would like to translate the books with our, mostly in Japan, the problem is they have a lot of knowledge about Lean Six Sigma, but language becomes a barrier, isn't it? So people like you, of course, Sri Lankan, speak very good English, and we can all support the Japanese leaders to whether translate the books or whether whenever they go across the globe for their study. There's also Japan mission study that happens every year, and we definitely need a lot of supporters across the globe. So you could also go to JUSC, JUSC, after you obtain your Lean Six Sigma certification and try. Of course, they need young generation, the Gen Zs there, so you could support. He's Dr. Hiroshi Osada. Yeah, I'm also a part of World Femme Parliament, nominated from the UK, and I'm sure they would have not just found me because I am somebody great, but obviously because of my work in Lean Six Sigma. So you see, because of the work in Lean Six Sigma is why I got nominated to be one of the leaders. So not only for women, for men as well, because here as well we see two men leading, and they give me the power to lead. So it's definitely not not possible without the masculine support here, right? I'm also a part of WEFA, which is Women Entrepreneurship Forum in Africa, but I am a president for the Asian women entrepreneurs. Everything under the Asian globe. Whoever are entrepreneurs and our upcoming entrepreneurs, or everybody is also supporting the women entrepreneurs. So it is across the globe everywhere, right? So also in UAE, Lean Six Sigma is in vogue. Lean Six in the Middle East, especially whether it is Saudi or Qatar and Dubai, they have their a vision, isn't it? Vision 2030, Vision 2040. So if you would like to go ahead and just check their Vision 2030, 2040 of Saudi and Dubai and Qatar, you would know what they are up to. And they definitely need people like you who would build leadership there, and they want to build like 360 CEOs in the next 10 to 12 years. And of course, they would all need support like our leaders, and with the knowledge that you obtain from Skillgate is going to do wonders that you can support these countries as well, right? Yes, now Darshana is going to be happy now because he knows who is he. Yeah. Matthew Hayden, of course, Matthew Hayden also uses Lean Six Sigma in his sports. So you see all the countries. The reason I showed you this presentation of my introduction is only to show you that across the globe, Lean Six Sigma is applicable everywhere, right? So this certification is definitely going to support you. The knowledge is going to support you, and how you implement all these tools everywhere is definitely going to support you, right? So Matthew Hayden, all those who love cricket, love him as well. Right, and yes, author and reviewer support as well. So all those who write would like to, I would just stop sharing now because it's too much of author and stuff like that. So, you could be one of them who can support the authors. You could be a ghostwriter. You could be a professor in several colleges across the globe. And they definitely need people like you, not only in your own company. In your own company, you feel there is no growth, I cannot do any Lean Six Sigma project or anything, come out of it. The whole world is waiting for you, isn't it? Yeah. So I just showed you the website. You can go through the website, and if you feel any of the certification is going to help you or support you, then you could definitely get in touch via Skillgate, and they will help you with the study material if you need, or any exams, or how it is going to help you in your progression is all going to support you. You can go through the website. By the way, we also have a conference in Bratislava in 2026. So, of course, I think Sharmi is definitely going to be a part of it. But if any of the students would also like to join, please come ahead. And it's a good networking networking platform for you. And also, Mr. Darshana, if you want to, please come and join us along with Sharmi and team and Kushan. We'll be happy to meet all of you. And also the students will get an opportunity to meet all the pioneers of Six Sigma as well. So yeah, that is the conference. Yeah, if we have any questions, I'm happy to take any questions now, or if you have any questions later, you could also get through us. And we also have an AMA session, by the way, especially for our partner student, which is Ask Me Anything with a master black belt from Lean Six Sigma. Most of the times it is me. So that's a 1 hour session, and we conduct every month. And we would let Shermi and team know about when it is. So it is like an online session. If you need any support, like for your progression plan, your project, or whether you're going to any country or new companies, if you need any support, then we are happy to support you with that as well. That's a free session for all Skillgate students, by the way. Okay. Yeah, that's about me. And before Mr. Darshana says, "Oh, Anita, you're talking too much," it's already night for me. I would love to listen to Mr. Darshana as well. Yeah, thank you very much for this opportunity.